Hey guys, welcome back to UModeler. In this video, we're going to take a look at a pretty cool new tool that just released called the Favorites tool. All right, so let's go ahead and dive right in and take a look at it. So basically, what we can do now is if you upgrade your UModeler project, of course, what you want to do is on your right side, you're going to see a section called Favorites tool. And you may already have some tools pre-assigned, but what it basically is it gives you the ability to favorite your favorite tools. It's pretty self-explanatory. But here, let's go ahead and demonstrate how to actually use it. So what we're going to do is go down to a tool, random tool. Let's just say the Insert Vertex tool. I'm going to right click on it and I'm going to click Add to Favorites. Pretty simple. Let's go up to the top, and as you can see, there's our Insert Vertex. And that's really amazing because what I don't want to do is go looking for Insert Vertex because I would use that all the time. And of course, if you don't use it all the time and there's tools in here, all you have to do is right click on a tool, remove from favorites. You can push it up, you can move it down, whatever you like to do. So what I'm going to do in this case, I'm going to remove Insert Vertex and just remove it from favorites. And you can keep this nice and tidy exactly to what you need. This is an amazing tool. I'm really glad that UModeler added this. And these are the types of quality of life improvements to your workflow that we all need. Thank you all for watching. I hope that being able to favorite your most used tools speeds up your flow like it has for me. Be sure to stay up to date with the latest features and updates by hitting the subscribe button and clicking that notification bell. More new features are coming and you wouldn't want to miss out. I see you soon.